So I'm gonna be showing you how to make quick money in 1 day online. So one thing I'm assuming here is you don't have time to learn a new skill. Okay, so we're just Xing that out. And I'm also assuming that you don't have time to figure out some sort of complex setup. You know, I run a multi-million-dollar internet business. I have a lot of skills in this space, but I'm assuming you know, even if I showed you how to set up a website, we're not gonna do that sort of stuff. So we need something fast, and I'm also assuming you need something big because you're not looking for quick, steady money. You're looking for something big in 1 day. So I could show you a million ways to make small money online. There's Amazon Mechanical Turk, where you can make 2 cents, 5 cents, 15 cents to fill out surveys. But I'm guessing if you're on this video, you're not looking to make a few cents or a few dollars per hour. Okay, you need money fast. You can also make money being an affiliate marketer for sites like Amazon and make small commissions, $1 per product you recommend. But I'm guessing if you're on this video, you're not looking to make $1 or $2 recommending, you know, Nike shoes or whatever. Now, what I'm gonna show you is a method where you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day really quick. It's something you can do realistically. You can only do it once, but it's something you can do right now to put an extra couple $1,000s in your bank account. Yeah, and it's quick money and it's big money. So here we are on Clickbank right here. Clickbank is a site which will pay up to 90% of commissions on products sold. It's an affiliate network, but it's very aggressive, and they've paid out over $3 billion to internet people like myself. Now, if you're looking to make quick money, I recommend you go on Clickbank and you click the marketplace right here and you search, okay? And you click search, and what I want you to do is I want you to set the initial price per sale to as high as it can go. Now, what you'll see is the number one, this is called high ticket products. And again, what I'm assuming here is you wanna make big money in 1 day. If you wanna make small money, $5 an hour, you can go to Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you wanna sell your skills and make $10 to $20 an hour, you can go to Upwork. But if you wanna make hundreds or thousands of dollars per day, in 1 day, using something you can only do once, really, you're gonna check this out. So what we're gonna do is you can sign up for Clickbank and you will promote my product, which pays out over $450 per sale. You'll click promote, you'll generate a link, you'll highlight that link, and you'll copy it. Now what you then do is you take that link and you go over to any one of your social networks. Any social network that you are using, go over to your social network, such as Facebook, and make a post inviting people to a free training, okay? Say, hey, here's a free training which taught me how to make money online. Check it out, okay? Let me just type it in for you so you kind of see. So here's my post. As you can see, I just typed in, here's a free, in my personal Facebook. Again, do not complicate this. You're using your social networks. What you're doing is you're selling to friends and family. Okay, this is an asset you have which you can use to make a lot of money. And I just said, here's a free training that taught me how to make money online. Pretty interesting. Seems very normal post, or whatever's normal for you. And I put my link in there. Now, when people click that affiliate link, if they go through the training, buy the product, you'll earn $450. So you do this on every social network you have, or you create an email and you send that email to every person that you've ever talked to via email. Send out 200 emails, send out 400 emails, text it to people, email it to people. Put it on Facebook, put it on Instagram, put it on Snapchat, put it on Twitter, put it on LinkedIn. This is a way that you can make quick money and big money online very, very fast, and it works. Now, just so you don't feel a little lost here, let me show you how to sign up for Clickbank to show you how fast and easy it is. Clickbank is free. So all you would do is click create account here. Okay, so now you click create account and it's gonna ask you for your personal information, your name, your phone number, your email address, and your address. The second step is it's going to ask you for your banking information, for how it pays you. Whether you're gonna get paid through a bank wire or whatever, you have to just give them your information of how you'd like to be paid. You know, I know you're probably thinking, oh my God, I have to enter in my banking information. This site, you've probably already used it. You've probably been using it for years, just unknowingly, just as a consumer. Okay, this is the biggest information products website on the internet, and it's over 21 years old. You know, it's run by some people in Idaho. It's very, I don't know, straight edge. And the second thing is, no matter what you're gonna do, if you wanna make money online, you have to enter in a way to get paid. Okay, so no matter what, you're gonna have to enter in your social security number and your banking information anywhere, whether it's Amazon or whatever, if you wanna get paid. Now, if you only wanna make $5 an hour, you can go to Amazon and they'll pay, you know, you can enter in your banking information there. But if you wanna try to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars in a day, you know, Clickbank is one of those underground ways to do it. That's it. And then you create a nickname, which is just kind of like your username. You create a username. And that's it. And it's free, it takes 5 minutes, and it's simple, and it's easy. So you just sign up for Clickbank right there, and you take that and you create your affiliate link. You go into the marketplace, you find my program using exactly the way I told you. Look for the highest value per sale. And there you go, and you do that post. And that's a very easy, quick way to make big money. Not a lot of people are talking about this. Again, you don't want to do this many times because you don't want to spam. You don't want to spam your friends. You don't want to be emailing everybody, you know, 1,000,000 times a day. You don't want to be putting up 1,000,000 Facebook posts about this. If you're looking to make quick money, if you're looking to make big money in one day, this is how you do it. And I know this sounds a little crazy, and I know it might feel a little bit awkward, but hey, you know what? If you need the money, you need the money. So let's do it.